everyone, welcome to new session of Paint Party. And today I'm going to paint moon night landscape, and I'm going to use poster paints for this painting. So for this painting I'm starting from lightest to darkest. So you can start pure blue color, and you can also mix blue and white together to make it lightest in the separate palette, or you can do it directly on the surface. Start from the lightest tone in the center, and then gradually you can go with the darkest tone. Here I'm mixing red and blue to make purple shade. You can also see that if you need to add some white in it, you can make more lighter. If you want to keep it a little darker or mid-tone, you can also do that. You can keep on adding little bit water if you see the paint is getting little dry. Adding water will help you to smoothen your surface and your brushes strokes. You can see I'm adding little dark shade of blue, pure blue, to make it more dark on the sides and lightest in the center. You can see how beautifully I have added purple shades along with blue color. You can also add more dark with blue to make it darker shade of purple. You can always go over the surface according to your painting. Whenever you see that you need to add more lightest, you can add little white in it. If you want to add more dark, you can add more dark shade on it. Let us start the mid-tone for the water. Now take pure white color to show very light. Now take pure white color to show light effect. You can see I have added pure white in the center to show moon's reflection in the water. You can also add little dark shade on the right and left side, so you can show dark on the sides and lightest in the center. This will show the detailing of the waves. At the end, I am taking pure black color to work on the foreground. Make sure the background is totally dried when you are working on the foreground. For drawing the palm trees, it's very simple. You draw curved lines and just draw 4 or 5 curved lines on the top of it, like a spider. And then you can add very delicate brush strokes. You can also work with marker if you are not confident with your brush strokes. Make sure these brush strokes are very delicate and pointy at the end. This is the beauty of these palm tree. Bring some of the branches on the moon. At the end, take pure black color to show the far away tiny bushes. Voila, I'm done. I hope you like it. I hope this inspires you and you paint along with me.